gonna go ahead and just like hit it on the throttle and see if I can land into the flat and see if that's okay. I'm pretty confident my Evo suspension can handle landing it flat, so. We're gonna give it a shot. Yeah, it handled it like a champ. It worked out pretty well. I just landed on the gas, you know. My suspension felt like it soaked it up pretty good. But I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try in a higher gear, so I don't feel like strung out. I don't know if I'm actually landing out there, but I'm trying.
Yeah, somewhere in that area. I don't know, you can't really see very well.
It's probably dusty as shit too. Yeah, your boy. Oh, dude, that was so sick. Thank you. Listen to that thing, it's so loud. Holy dust. This CR500 in front of me is basically just idling around the track, dude. I honestly don't even know how he rides a CR500. That just seems like difficult to ride, especially on this dry, hardpack, slick track we got today. Man, he sent that. Ooh. Woo. It's honestly just wild to think he's ripping around this motocross track on a CR500. It's awesome. I'm just trying not to slide out in every corner. Get a little bit slippery through there. Oh yeah, maintain it, come on. Woo! That turn is sketching me out today, man. This. Get some balls, boy. Alright, we're riding with the two-stroke gang. We got Sam on his Kawasaki KX85. We got Nate on his Honda CR85. We're about to go do some ripping together. Let's get it. Look at how good Sam's bike looks. Got the fresh Rival Link Design Go graphics kit. Moto seat cover. That thing is looking absolutely crispy. You guys looking to get some graphics, definitely hit up the Rival Link Design Co. website. They make such good custom designs. Woo! Isn't that CR85 scream, man? Oh! What? Yeah, Nate, good stuff. Right behind you, buddy. Let's see you rip that thing, man. This is fun. I love seeing the kids like battle a little bit. This is perfect. Oh yeah, Sam said that one. Oh, he's going around the outside. Okay. I didn't expect that. Yeah, buddy. I got really close to his back wheel and meter on that one. Alright, y'all. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that video. If you did like it, please hit that thumbs up button. It really helps out my channel. If you want to see more content just like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.